Welcome to Inspiro IAS KS. So today we'll be launching our module-wise test series, especially for the KAS mains related syllabus. So when we say KAS mains module-wise test series, so if you look at the entire syllabus, paper one is having three sections, paper two is having three sections, and paper three is having three sections, and paper four we can call it as a ethics, or even there also we can look into that as a three sections. So every section of paper one, paper two, etc., we are calling it as one module. So when you take up module-wise test series, you will be covering history or socio-political or public administration. You will be covering every module or every section of every paper in a most holistic and comprehensive manner. In most holistic and comprehensive manner. So why are we saying it as most holistic and comprehensive manner is that we will not be going through the entire syllabus like like say for example chapter 1 we will be giving you two questions, or chapter 2 we will be giving you three questions. That is not how we are going to do here. So basically we will be providing you what is called as micro syllabus along with its subtopics, and how does this test progress is. So basically we will provide you for every day. So each day you will be provided with the topic and what to read for the topic, and on that a dynamic 3 to 4 questions will be provided to you every single day, which if you are in Bangalore you can write it in the institution, or if you cannot come to institution every day you can write it at home and you can bring it to us every weekend. We will evaluate it for you, or you can scan it and send it every day and we will evaluate and provide the feedback for you. And every weekend you will be writing a mini test of 10 to 12 questions on those topics which you have covered in that week. So basically every day you are covering topic and you are writing the questions. Every weekend you are writing one more test on the entire things that you have covered in that week, and once you complete the entire syllabus you will be writing one more test which is basically full length. So you'll be covering this in a holistic manner, topic by topic, and by knowing what to read and from where to read. So to give you an example as to how the topics progresses or how exactly we have done in the past and why this has given the maximum result for our students. So if you look at the syllabus, this is how we have divided your entire public administration syllabus, for example. See, we have taken one chapter, and every chapter we have divided into subtopics like this. So maybe say day one you will be covering public administration and its role in society, and public administration whether it is an art or science. Day two you may be covering this one. Day three you may be covering this one. So every day we will be dividing it like this. So total per bad we are having somewhere around 48 to 50 subtopics. So every day if you cover two or three topics based on the length, basically some topics might be done very swiftly. You may be able to do it at a faster pace. Say for example, difference between administration and management or public and private administration. It doesn't require a lot of time. You can easily complete it in half a day. Or there are some other topics where they'll be taking a lot of time. Say for example, decision making, communication, types of communication, the models of communication, whether why communication is important, or communication is called as the lifeblood of an organization. Why is it crucial? What are the issues in communication? What are the hindrances to communication? So this may take more time. So based on this, scientifically we will be providing you syllabus division also. You'll be getting an entire chart for the next 30 days as to what exactly you'll be covering every day, and every day you'll be provided with 3 to 4 questions which you can write it and scan it and send it to us, or you can come down to institution and write it down. Once this is done, for this every topic we will be providing you what exactly you have to read also, so that you will not be like like reading everything what is unwanted, or you'll not be reading something which is not focus oriented. So give you a small example. This is how we have been doing from the past 2 3 years, which has yielded our students a lot of results, good scores. See, say for example, every topic is role in society, like everything, whether it's art or science, supporting points for both science, supporting point for both art. Or if you take this example of responsive administration, what is the meaning of responsive administration, the definition, why is it needed, why do we need responsive administration in current scenario or in recent times, and what are the nature and features of responsive administration, and why is it important in the current times, are it relevance and growth in the recent times. So in this manner we will be providing you with every subtopic for every syllabus word, so you will be able to read properly, and you will be reading in exam oriented manner, not like a theory for your theoretical examination, like a degree exam ತರ ಓದೋದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you'll be reading exam oriented, how the question will come, what exactly I need to read, and how exactly I need to read. Like if you look at the recent exam which has come, like 2025 KAS ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, the same responsive administration example only I'll take here. See, this is the question that has come. If you look at this, see, responsive administration, the need, futures, importance, etc., etc., we have provided here. And if you see the question, how has responsive administration and digital governance improved crisis management in the recent years. That is the question here. So now if you see the question, the definition we have provided, basically we have asked you to read the definition also, what is responsive administration, and we have given the need. Basically that is answering why responsive administration is needed, or how is it relevant in the unpredictable current times. Or if you look at the last keyword that we have provided here, growth in the recent times, see, improved crisis management in the recent years. See, crisis management, that is nothing but its relevance in current trends. In the recent years, its growth in the recent years. So that is what they are asking. Responsive administration definition, you get it from here. The need, you get it from here. And why is it important? How has it improved? That you are getting it from here. So for every keyword, if you read in this manner, your answer, how has responsive administration and digital governance. So you'll be in the first paragraph, you'll be introducing what these two are, and then you will immediately jump to that need and importance, and the examples from the relevance and recent trends. You'll be answering in this manner. So your answer will not just be complete. Your answer will be most holistic, comprehensive, with recent examples to the answer. I mean to the question. You call it as bullseye antirala, hitting the bullseye ಅಂತ ಆ ತರ you'll be writing your answers. And then you won't waste more time here. See, question ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ you will have 7 to 8 minutes per question. And recent trends of 23-24 questions ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇವತ್ತು KPSC ನಲ್ಲಿ, if you look at 180 minutes ಅಂದ್ರೆ divided by 23 or 24 minutes ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are looking at somewhere around 7 to 8 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ, not even 8 to 9 minutes. So 7 to 8 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ read the question, frame an answer, put it on the paper, and then go to the next question ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not that easy until and unless you are prepared as to expecting what might come there ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Not until and unless you are ready there, you will not be able to write a better answer. So in this manner, for every subtopic, for everything, the entire 9 modules ಏನಿದೆ, all the chapters, the syllabus will be given to you in this manner. So ಇವತ್ತು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ 2 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Definition, importance, change agent, role played, etc., etc. Ee tara you are going at it. Whether it is an art or science, supporting points for both, debate. Whether it is an art or science, there is a lot of debate and lot of political thinkers have given their opinions. So you'll be making some notes of it and then some conclusion. So any question on that part of the syllabus, you know what to write and how to write and how to frame an answer with examples. So this is how you'll be progressing. So why this thing ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ for making your preparation better and for better answer writing. And the most unique point of this module wise test series or any test series at Inspiro. So basically at Inspiro ನಾವೇನಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ evaluation is not like ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೋ ಏನು 15 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. You will be given the evaluated copies within a span of 7 days. That is first thing. And in this module wise or in any other test series, what we do is we will do what is called as one-to-one evaluation. Meaning to say live evaluation ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ. You will be with your mentor or your evaluator. Your evaluator will evaluate your copy in front of you. So what is the thing sir, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜು? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇದು ರಾಂಗು, ಇದು ರಾಂಗು, ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗೋ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಂಗು, ಯಾಕೆ ರೈಟು, ಈ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ PDF ಕಾಪಿ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಬುಕ್ಲೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 week. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಲೈವ್ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ವೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಪಿ, the moment he finds out a mistake, he will comment in front of you. See, why did you write like this? This is wrong. This is right. And he will comment in front of you. So that will give you a better approach. It is not just about correcting your mistakes. It is about making you aware as to how you are doing the mistake or why you are doing the mistake. Thereby, your course correction and the approach to answer writing only will change. So over a period of time, when this kind of live one-to-one evaluation ಆದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್? ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ one-to-one ಲೈವ್ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ PDF. You and your mentor will fix the time. You will come over Google Meet or your in whichever platform you want. Live ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, PDF ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So your evaluator will go line by line, word by word in your PDF, which you will be seeing on the other side. So you can comment, sir, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, which you will be knowing better. So why you did wrong, that is also very very important. Where did I go wrong is one side of the story, or how did I go wrong is one side of the story. Why did you go wrong, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ನೀನು, that approach will be provided to you. And since this is a long term journey, basically ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ KS notification ಇವತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನಾಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, it will take some time. So since we have lot of time, we can prepare in a better manner. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್. Since it is an art, it has to be developed over a period of time. So every day 3 to 4 questions ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಎವ್ರಿ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇವಾಗ 4 ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಟು ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಯು ವಿತ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕಾಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಮ್, ವೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ವಿ ಹವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೈಲೈಟೆಡ್. ಅದನ್ನ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಟು ಯು ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೈ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ. ಅದನ್ನ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನೌ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಓವರ್ ಎ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಚ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ I expect most of you to take up this module based test series and make the best use of it. Thanks everyone.